What's going on, guys? This is a 2016 Ford Transit Connect. It's got the 4-cylinder. I don't even know what this is. I guess it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter rather. Anyways, I'm changing the water pump. I've got a few tools up here, help me do so. 14 millimeter to get the belt off. This is an 8 millimeter to get the 3 bolts that hold the water pump on. And let me show you how I start. So I haven't removed the belt yet. You can see I've got a flathead screwdriver and it's jammed down into here. This will help me hold the pulley while I loosen the 3 bolts that go into it. If you don't have the flathead and you attempt to loosen these, the pulley will just spin. Basically, I had my screwdriver angled in here. I was holding against the back of the bolt. So this is how I kept it from rotating when I was taking these off. So here's my 10 millimeter wrench coming in. That's one of them. It's moving. All right. I've got these 3 loose, and that by far is probably the hardest part about this whole thing. This is my 14 millimeter coming down to take tension off of the belt. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Well, you get the idea. So now with the belt off, I can go ahead and fully remove the pulley. You could also hold these here, I suppose. There's probably a tool that holds the pulley like that, but I don't have it. Now, I don't know if I have to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this tensioner just to open up some room for me. It's just held on by 2 10 millimeter bolts. And here's my 8 millimeter. So I got to these 2 fairly easily. There's one more on the back. I'm gonna try to get at it with the short, stubby one. There we go, I think that's it. think I loosened the wrong one. Yeah. Oops. So I've got the 3 bolts out, and I'm just grabbing the water pump and shaking it. You can see it's coming out slowly. Oh, by the way, you're going to want to have the cap removed before you do any of this. You do not want this under pressure. It's coming. Fuck it.
¿Qué? Espérate. Espérate.
So with the bolts out, you should be able to grab this and kind of yank it right out. It's going to be tough because of the O-ring. Ugh. Shit.
Andy, you know exactly what you got in this one, bro?
Yeah, man. Oh, shit. Well, that was in there a lot harder than I thought it would be, but I was able to get it out with my big ass pry bar and my hammer. As you can see, I placed this catch pan down here to catch most of the coolant. So yeah, Installation is reverse of removal. I might put a little bit of grease on this O-ring to help it slide back in.